I have been tracking what's actually selling in the digital wall art space, and right now, there's a specific design style pulling in serious cash. One design has generated over an impressive total revenue. The problem is not easy to create with regular AI tools, but in today's video, I'll show you a powerful design platform that makes creating these in-demand products fast and simple, even if you've never designed anything before. So let's get into it. I came across this Boho wall art, which happened to be one of the most in-demand digital products on platforms like Etsy. This particular design blends with clean aesthetics, earthly tones, and trending minimalist elements that buyers just can't get enough of. Now, one free and effective way to evaluate how this product is performing is by checking the reviews on individual listings. For example, this Boho design has received over 50 reviews. By going through them, you can quickly understand why people are drawn to its simplicity. Another free method to access its potential is by sorting the reviews by most recent. This shows you that people are still purchasing the design, which is a clear proof that it's still in demand. Now, before we dive into creating this product, it's important to understand the potential earning from selling it. A quick way to estimate this is by using Alura. By searching for Boho wall art in the keyword research section, I can easily see how much similar products has made for other sellers and identify which one I can use as inspiration to craft my own. Now, imagine running an Etsy shop focused solely on this type of design, just like this seller who has made good amount of sales by concentrating on Boho wall art alone. To replicate a simple designs like this, I tested a bunch of tools, and honestly, Kittl was the only one that made the process simple. With Kittl, I could go from blank canvas to sell ready Boho design in under 15 minutes, and it looks better than what most sellers on Etsy are offering. Whether you're designing wall art, logo, or printable products, Kittl gives you full control with professional grade editing tools that are smooth, intuitive, and user-friendly, even if you're not a designer. And their brand new vector tool suite takes everything to the next level. You can fine-tune shapes, round corners with precision, and build unique designs by merging or subtracting elements all within the platform. No need for extra software, no hassle. And if you're working with a team or managing multiple projects, Kittl team make real-time collaboration a breeze. You can share files, leave feedback, assign roles, and keep everything organized in one shared workspace. No more chaotic email threads or misplaced files. Kittl also have a built-in AI tools that allow you to generate custom visuals from simple prompts, helping you to go from concept to published ready designs in minutes, not in hours. It's fast, it's flexible, and it's built for creators who are ready to grow. Click the link in the description to try Kittl for free, but if you use the coupon code Endatah, you get a 25% discount on all Kittl plans and access all this amazing tool Kittl has to offer. To create this Boho design in Kittl, I started a new project, choose the portrait orientation, and set the DPI to 300. Once inside, I began building the designs. Let's say I want to replicate something similar. I go to the element section and choose a circle. I duplicate the circle and position the duplicate below the original. To cut it into half, I use the shape tool and draw a square across the circle. Then I selected both shapes and used the subtract option in the shape builder to split it. I repeat the same process with another circle below, but this time I use another circle instead of a square to cut it into a new shape. Once I'm done, I select all the shapes, duplicate them, and place them above. Then I adjust the colors individually, and just like that, my first Boho wall art design is complete. I also use additional shapes in the element section along with the shape builder to create more simple Boho inspired designs. And with Kittl mockup tools, you can see how amazing the final product looks. Once you're done designing, simply export your design from Kittl. After exporting, it's a great idea to offer your product in a variety of sizes, so your customers have multiple options to choose from. But here's the good news, you don't need to create a separate file for every size. Just design at the largest size for each aspect ratio. That way your customers can easily scale the design down without any quality loss. And you can do all of this right inside Kittl by creating a custom canvas size using one of the recommended dimensions. Import your design, scale it to fit the frame, and export it as PNG or JPEG. Kittl even lets you handle all the resizing in one project. Just create a new canvas, set the dimensions, and replace the designs in each canvas, and it's that simple. I hope this video helped you understand why selling wall art on Etsy can be such a profitable opportunity. Just remember, consistency is key to growing your shop and seeing real results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.